Good evening friends. Welcome to Investments and Trading channel. Now we are going to discuss on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow's trading session. Initially we will start with Bank Nifty. If you see my video yesterday, I mentioned clearly 35,246 means 35,242 250 is a very good support, and if the market comes down below 34,000 below 35,246, we have a range for the support of 34,930 to 950. From there up to 35,240 we have mentioned anywhere we can get the support, and the same thing happened in the today's market. And if you see my trend line, what I have given at yesterday's breakout levels, this is the trend line I have given. I think around after 230 to 245 the breakout has been happened at the trend line. After the breakout, if you see, we have a very good rally in the Bank Nifty of 300 to 200 points, almost 200 points. So this is a very good trade where I have mentioned clearly, after crossing 35,246 or after breaking trend line, we can take a CE call, and who has taken the CE call, they have earned a very good profit in the Bank Nifty. Now coming for tomorrow's Bank Nifty analysis. For tomorrow I am giving very same levels, and the levels are, currently the market is closed at 35,373. From 35,373, as I said yesterday, 35,500 to 550, this is high resistance level. Even if you see the trend line which was showing the connection of 35,540 to 550 is a very good resistance. So I am mentioning clearly, if market sustains 35,550 above, 35,550 above, then we can take a CE call, and we can see the up move around 100 to 200 points easily up to 35,700 or 35,750. Once it crosses 35,750 to 35,800, we can see a rally, as I said yesterday, 35,850 to 36,000 and 36,102. But if the market is closing below 34,900, if the market is opening below 34,900 below, we can see a very good fall also in the Bank Nifty. And if it falls below 34,900, we can see a fall up to 34,500, 35,450. So around 300 to 400 points in the fall also. That's all about the Bank Nifty. And now we are going to the Nifty analysis. If you see the Nifty analysis, I have given clearly the Nifty levels also. If you see my Nifty levels, the Nifty levels were already mentioned here, 15,520 to 530 or 15,530 to 540. So from here, if you see, the market has, now I am going to the 5 minutes candle of Nifty for today's session, and here if you see, the market has traded below 15,525 almost till 230, and when the Nifty has crossed 15,525, you can see how good the rally was. So the profit who entered into the 15,525 above, they earned a profit almost 2 to 3k. That's how the analysis will be moving from here. And coming to the tomorrow's analysis of Nifty, for tomorrow's session, we can see here the Nifty has closed at 15,576. 15,576 to, for example, if you are taking 15,570, and 15,000 around 15,600. 15,572, 15,600. Here the market will be opening when it is a flat case. If the market opens between this range, we need to wait and see whether in which direction the market is going. And the support at 15,547. 15,547 is a very good support for the Nifty, and from here I am expecting a up move. So we need to consider here, if the Nifty is opening flatly at 15,570 or 15,600, then in both cases we need to see whether the market is coming down to 15,547 or the market is going above. If the market is going above, then we should wait, since if there is any dip, as tomorrow is expiry, there is a loss of huge premium. So we should see whether the market is coming to a dip or not. If there is no dip, then we can enter early. If there is a dip, then we should wait and we should see the premiums. So when it comes to the 15,547, then we need to keep the SL of 15,525 to 530. So if you are planning for a trade in Nifty, the levels will be 15,547. So here we can take a CE call with keeping an SL of 15,525. If the market is going down below 15,525, then we can close the trade, but I was expecting from 15,547 to 15,580, 15,600, 15,620 and 15,650. Up to 15,650 we can see a rally in the Nifty. If there is, this is the CE call. I hope since tomorrow is expiry, we should wait for a dip and we should take CE call. And finally, please consider my disclaimer before taking any trade. Concerns your financial advisor to invest. Thank you.